Hey YouTube, it's your girl Bella. Happy Valentine's Day, everybody. Can you believe it? Oh my God, it's already February 14th. The year is going by crazy. Anyways, as you can tell by the title of my video, this is a tiny home tour that I wanted to share with you guys on Valentine's Day. So, welcome to my channel. If you are stopping by and are new, please hit the subscribe button, give it a big thumbs up if you like this video, like, comment, and share. And to my awesome, wonderful, loving subscribers, I want to wish you all a very, 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 very sweet Valentine's Day. I love you guys from the bottom of my heart. I want to tell you how honored, oh my God, how honored I am that you take your time out of your busy, wonderful days to come over here to this little tiny channel of this simple little girl that just wanted to share her ideas with you, and I really want to share all the love. Oh my God, I'm gonna cry. Okay, I'm a sap. Anyways, I want to wish you all a very, very wonderful Valentine's Day, and thank you for supporting me and showing me all this love, and I just love it so much. Anyways, so in saying that, I want to show you my little tiny tour. I really didn't do much, guys, for Valentine's Day. Just a few tiny things, oh my God, I'm crying, that I wanted to share with you guys, and I hope you like it. So I'm going to turn the camera around and I will show you my little home. Okay, love, so let's start here. So there's the pretty garland that I did for Valentine's Day, and really, honestly, I just added tiny, tiny touches to my house. So on my little side table there, as you can see, I just added one tiny little pink flower. And then if you pan my living room, I just added really pretty blush pink pillows on both ends of the couch, and that pretty little heart pillow, and this pink throw. And in the coffee table, I just added the tiniest touches of Valentine's Day. I added pretty pink flowers that I got from TJ Maxx, the little dollar store love sign, the little felt that I had left over, and a pretty pink candle. And that was really it for my living room. So I'll just give you another shot of the overview of what it looks like. And yeah, I didn't want to add much this year for Valentine's, because I usually don't add much. But I just added a tiny bit. So let's go into the kitchen and I'll show you the rest. Guys, in my kitchen, it's just this little tiny boxwood wreath, and I just added a cute little tiny burlap bow. I think it's so cute. It's got little hearts, and that was really cute. So I like this little boxwood wreath. And here on this side, I just added those two dollar store towels that I was showing you guys. One of my. And then here, I love this. I am so in love with this wreath. All I did is I strung through more of that burlap and heart ribbon, and I attached it to its original ribbon. And if you haven't seen this wreath and how I made it, it's on my very first episode of Transformation Tuesday. So let's pan to my coffee bar. I am so in love with this coffee bar. That little sign's from the Dollar Tree. I already showed it to you guys. And then I put my little mug that says, "Keep calm and love dogs." And then I made that little burlap sign. It's like a chalkboard sign. And that's it, really. And I think my coffee bar is just cute. And there's just tiny, tiny touches of Valentine's. Okay, loves, so this is the end of the video, and I hope you enjoyed my tour. Again, I would really, really love, if you're new to my channel, to hit the subscribe button down below. And I want to wish you all a very, very loving Valentine's Day. I have actually composed myself from the beginning of this video. Make sure you tell someone that you love them today. You never know when you are not going to have the chance again to tell someone that you love them. So I tell everybody that I love them all the time. And it doesn't hurt to share the love. Share the love, why not, right? So I'm sharing the love with you, to my amazing YouTube friends that have made such an impact on my life. I am so new to the YouTube community. God help us. I really, really try hard to make these videos as much as I can. I have the worst editing skills. But I really hope you liked it. And I really love sharing my ideas and my home with you guys. And yeah, that's it. So happy Valentine's Day. I wish you all the best. I hope you guys have an amazing, amazing day. I am going to celebrate with my little girl, and she's actually going out with her boyfriend tonight. So I get a little bit of time with her, and then she's off. So mwah, mwah, mwah. I wish you all the best, and bye, YouTube. See you all guys. See you guys soon. Bye.